Yes, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discussing about multimedia data mining. What is multimedia database? So, multimedia database system stores and manages a large collection of multimedia objects. For example, audio data, image data, video data, sequence data, hypertext data. Means hypertext means it contains text data, text markup and linkages. Multimedia database supporting audio video equipment, CD-ROM and internet. Multimedia data mining focus on image data mining. So we have different methods in multimedia data mining. We have mainly 5 methods. Those are similarity search in multimedia data, multidimensional analysis, classification and prediction analysis, and mining associations in multimedia data. And fifth one, it is not available here. It is available in the textbook. That is audio, video, data mining. Audio, video, data mining. Next, first of all, first method, similarity search in multimedia data. So in this particular method, we have mainly two types of multimedia indexing and retrieval systems. First one is description based retrieval system. Second one is content based retrieval system. First one, description based retrieval system. It build indices and perform object retrieval based on image descriptions. Based on means keywords, caption, size, time of creation. Next one is labor intensive. This method is based on labor intensive and poor quality. Poor quality. Next, the second method is content based retrieval system. This system is completely object retrieval, is based on the image content. Means this system completely retrieval, this object retrieval is based on image content. The image content consisting of color histogram, texture, pattern, image topology, shape of the object and their layouts, and location within the image. Desirable in many applications. It consisting of two kinds of query. First query name is image sample based queries. Second one is image feature specification queries. First one, image sample based queries. So in this queries means search compares the feature vector extracted from the sample with images and indexed in image database. Images closer to the sample images are returned. Image feature specification queries. It sketch image features based on color, texture or shape. So it translated into feature vector to be matched with the image database. So the applications belongs to this particular query are medical diagnosis, weather prediction, web search engines for images. Another one is QBIC, query by image content, support both sample based and image feature specification queries. Approaches for similarity based retrieval in image database based on image signatures. We have mainly 4 types of image signatures. First one is color histogram based signature, multi-feature composed signature, wavelet based signature, wavelet based signature with region based granularity. First one is color histogram based signature. Image signature includes color histogram based on the color composition of an image. No information about shape, location or texture. Two images with a similar color results in unrelated semantics. Multi-feature composer signature. Image signature includes a composition of multiple features like color histogram, shape, location, and texture. A separate distance function for each feature. A few features are used to search for images with similar features. Next one is wavelet based signature. Means in this particular signature method means image signature includes the wavelet coefficients of an image. So wavelets capture shape, texture and location information in a single unified framework. Improves efficiency and reduces the need for multiple such primitives. It computes a single signature for an entire image. This is wavelet based signature. Last one is wavelet based signature with region based granularity. So in this particular technique means computation and comparison of signatures are at the granularity of regions, not the entire image. Means similar images may contain similar regions. Region in one image performs translation or scaling of matching region with other. Similarity measure between query image and target image. Next one is multidimensional analysis of multimedia data. So means multidimensional in the sense it is nothing but a data cube. So means multimedia data cube. Here we are going to discussing about multimedia data cube. So multimedia data cube contain additional dimensions. So measures for multimedia information, color, texture and shape. Multimedia minor. So images contain two descriptors. Those are called as feature descriptor and second one is a layout descriptor. Original image is not stored directly in database. So description information. So this information stored in the following fashion: image file name, image URL, image type, list of keywords. So feature descriptor is a set of vectors for visual characteristics. Main vectors, color vector, MFC most frequent color, MFO most frequent orientation vectors. Layout descriptor, color layout vector MFC, edge layout vector number of edges for each orientation. So dimensions of multimedia data cube. The following are the dimensions of multimedia data cube, means size of the image or video in bytes. This is one dimension. Another one is width and height of the frames. This is another dimension. Next, date of creation or image creation or video date of creation. Format type, frame sequence duration in seconds, keywords, color and edge orientation. These are the dimensions of multimedia data cube. So next, construction of multimedia data cube. How to construct a multimedia data cube? So means it facilitates multidimensional analysis of multimedia data based on visual content. So how to mining of multiple kinds of knowledge from multimedia data cube based on the following techniques. Mining multiple kinds of knowledge from multimedia data cube. One is summarization, second one is comparison, third one is classification, fourth one is association, fifth one is clustering. So this is the example for data mining the knowledge, means an output of the classifier module of multimedia miner. So difficult to implement a data cube efficiently for larger number of dimensions. Attributes are set oriented instead of a single valued. Example, single image corresponds to set of keywords, set of objects associated with a set of colors. Next one is classification and prediction analysis of multimedia data. So scientific research on astronomy, seismology, geoscientific research. Decision tree classification is an essential data mining technique. Example, sky images is the example. So classified by astronomers as the training set constructing models for recognition of galaxies, stars based on properties, magnitudes, areas, intensity, image moments, and orientation. So sky images taken by telescope are tested against the constructed models to identify new bodies. Okay, data pre-processing is also another technique for mining image data. So next technique, mining association in multimedia data. Association between image content and non-image content features. That is one. If at least 50% of the upper part of the picture is blue, it is likely to represent sky. Association mining image contents that are not related to spatial relationships. Example, if a picture contains two blue squares, it is likely to contain one red circle as well. Third one, association among image contents related to spatial relationships. If a red triangle is in between two yellow squares, it is likely there is a big oval shaped object underneath. So multiple objects within multiple features, large number of possible associations happen, means essential to promote progressive resolution refinement. Frequency occurring pattern mine at row level and focus on finer resolution level, means reduces the cost without loss of quality. Picture containing multiple recurrent objects is an important feature in image analysis. Relative spatial relationships among multimedia objects are above, beneath, between, nearby. So last method called as audio and video data mining. Demand for effective content based retrieval and data mining methods for audio and video data. Nowadays, generally we are observing listening a music with the help of audio or video. So nowadays, many means the data is available in the form of audio and video formats. Okay, so MPG and JPEG are the video comparison schemes. So MPEG 7, formerly named Multimedia Content Description Interface, used in broad range of applications. Audio-visual description is still pictures, video, graphics, audio, and speech type of applications. Elements in MPEG 7. What are the elements in MPEG 7? So first is a set of description defines the syntax and semantics of a feature, structure and semantics of the relationships between its components, a set of coding schemes for the descriptors. Fourth one is DDL, description definition language. Facilitates content-based video retrieval and video data mining. Next, what is video clip? Collection of actions and events in a time is called video clip. What is a shot? Group of frames and pictures is called a shot. So key frame. What is a key frame? Means most representative frame in a video is said to be a key frame. So it is a sequence of key frames defines the sequence of the events in the video clip. Yes, this is the discussion about multimedia data mining. So in examination point of view, how they're asking the question whenever we are observing the previous question papers, explain multimedia data mining in detail. If means if the examiner asks a question like that, means what is the answer? First of all, you have to define the multimedia database and what are the methods to search for data in multimedia data, means multimedia data methods. We have 5 different types of methods. You have to explain, we have to address all those 5 methods, then that is enough. The answer is enough to the corresponding question. Okay, right? Okay, anyway, I think all of you understood, right? Yes. Okay, anyway, today I am sending objective type link also. by tomorrow morning 9 p.m. all of you must and should submit your uh, online bits, means multiple choice bits, right? Okay, thank you.